Welcome to Boost and Bloom, where learning blossoms, one small habit at a time. In today's episode, we're stepping outside to rediscover a tradition that fuels stronger bodies, brighter minds, and happier hearts. Outdoor play. Before we had tablets, we had tree branches, and they built better brains. Outdoor play isn't just fun, it's essential brain fuel. Today, we'll uncover how something as simple as climbing, running, or cloud watching can spark creativity, confidence, and focus in our kids, and how you can bring these benefits to your family, even if you live in the heart of a busy city. Think about your own childhood. Did you invent games with nothing more than a stick and your imagination? Did you race your friends until the streetlights came on? Back then, play wasn't scheduled, supervised, or structured. And research shows that freedom gave our brains exactly what they needed: room to grow, test limits, and bounce back from challenges. Fast forward to today. The average child spends 7 hours a day on screens, but less than 30 minutes outdoors. In urban families, safety concerns, lack of space, and busy schedules push kids indoors. The cost? We're raising a generation that's less active, less focused, and more stressed. Experts even warn that children are losing the ability to manage boredom because screens fill every quiet moment. Outdoor play used to be our training ground for life. Let's break down what kids really gain. Creativity. A stick became a sword. A rock became treasure. This imaginative play actually strengthens brain pathways linked to problem solving. Risk-taking. Climbing a tree taught us courage and caution. Psychologists like Ellen Sanseder argue that risky play helps children develop resilience and independence. Social skills. Street games taught us to negotiate rules, take turns, and solve conflicts without adults stepping in. These skills later translate to teamwork and leadership. So how do we recreate outdoor magic in a world of high-rises and busy schedules? The answer: small, intentional adventures. Balcony or hallway adventures. Create chalk art, obstacle courses, or a mini jungle with potted plants. Pocket parks and sidewalks, scavenger hunts, hopscotch, or even throwing a ball can spark joy. Micro-nature moments, cloud watching, collecting leaves, or barefoot play. Studies show even 10 minutes outdoors lowers cortisol, the stress hormone. Community play dates. Teaming up with neighbors or parent friends creates safe social play. Remember, it's not about where you play, but how consistently you create those moments. To make it easy, we've designed a 30-day nature play challenge. Each day, one simple activity. From collecting 3 different leaf shapes to counting how many bird songs you hear. These micro-adventures add up to big brain benefits. Because outdoor play isn't just fun, it's brain fuel. What about you? What outdoor memory from your childhood would you love to recreate with your kids? Share it in the comments. I'd love to hear your stories. And don't forget to grab your free printable challenge below.